Ladies struggling with painful period cramps? Nature has a gentle solution for you. Parsley, a simple kitchen herb, can help relieve menstrual cramps and discomfort naturally. This ancient remedy has been used for centuries to support women's health. Parsley infusion recipe for period pain. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley, well washed and chopped, 1 cup of boiling water. Optional, a teaspoon of honey or a bit of sugar to taste. Preparation: place the chopped parsley in a glass or cup. Pour boiling water over the herbs, stir, then cover and let it steep for 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Alternatively, place the chopped parsley in a blender, blend, and strain into a clean glass cup. Drink 1 to 2 cups per day during your period to ease cramping and support uterine health. Tip: this herbal tea is most effective when used regularly during menstruation. Precautions: avoid high doses of parsley if pregnant, as it can stimulate uterine contractions. Not recommended for people with kidney problems. Parsley is a diuretic. Should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment if there's a serious infection or hormonal imbalance.